As Milo walked through the sunny village park, he suddenly heard a soft, sad puppy cry. He stopped, looked around, and wondered where the sound was coming from. Milo followed the sound and found a small, fluffy brown puppy hiding under a bush. The puppy looked scared. Milo knelt down, smiled gently, and reached out his hand. Milo carefully picked up the puppy and hurried to find his friends. He showed the puppy to Mia and Ben. Together, the three friends decided they would help the puppy find its way home. The friends searched the village, asking neighbors about the puppy. A little girl runs up, smiling she's found her lost puppy. Everyone plays together, happy to help. Helping others brings happiness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.